When it comes to replacing doors in your Slidell home, the material you choose can make a significant impact on the aesthetics, security, and energy efficiency of your property. With the humid climate of Slidell, the door material must not only complement your home's style but also withstand weather conditions. There are several door material options to consider, each offering its own benefits and drawbacks. In this article, we'll explore the top choices for door replacement in Slidell homes and help guide you in selecting the right material. Wooden doors. Classic beauty and versatility. Wooden doors are a timeless choice for homeowners who appreciate classic beauty. These doors provide a warm, natural look that enhances the curb appeal of any home. With a variety of finishes and textures, wooden doors can be customized to match the architectural style of your house, whether it's traditional, contemporary, or rustic. One of the main advantages of wooden doors is their ability to offer excellent insulation, keeping your home energy efficient. However, in Slidell's humid climate, wooden doors can be prone to warping, swelling, and rotting over time if not properly maintained. If you opt for a wooden door, ensure it's made from high-quality, durable wood and regularly treated with sealants to protect it from moisture. Steel doors. Durability and security. Steel doors are one of the most popular choices for homeowners looking for increased security and durability. Steel is naturally strong, offering superior protection against break-ins, and it resists the elements better than many other materials. Steel doors are also energy efficient, as they often come with insulation that helps to maintain your home's temperature. While steel doors are incredibly tough, they do require proper care to avoid dents and rust, especially in the humid air of Slidell. Fortunately, modern steel doors come with protective coatings that can help prevent rust and damage. Additionally, steel doors are available in a variety of designs, making it easy to find one that fits the aesthetic of your home. Fiberglass doors. Low maintenance and high performance. For those seeking a low-maintenance, weather-resistant option, fiberglass doors are an excellent choice. Fiberglass is incredibly durable and resists the warping, cracking, and rotting that can occur with wooden doors. This material also stands up well to the humidity and heat common in Slidell. Fiberglass doors come in a wide range of styles and can be made to resemble the look of wood, giving you the aesthetic appeal of a wooden door without the maintenance. Additionally, fiberglass doors are highly energy efficient and provide excellent insulation, helping to keep your home comfortable throughout the year. They're also resistant to fading, ensuring that your door looks great for years to come with minimal upkeep. Glass doors. Light and stylish glass doors can transform the look of your home by allowing natural light to flood the interior. Whether you choose full glass doors or those with decorative glass panels, they can add an elegant and modern touch to any entrance. Glass doors are often framed with materials like wood, aluminum, or fiberglass, providing the right balance of style and function. However, glass doors may not offer the same level of security as solid doors made from materials like steel or fiberglass. If you opt for a glass door, be sure to choose a design with reinforced glass or security features such as tempered or laminated glass for added protection. Keep in mind that glass doors may require more maintenance to keep clean and free of smudges, especially in homes with young children or pets. Aluminum doors. Lightweight and contemporary. The aluminum doors are a lightweight yet sturdy option that works well for modern and contemporary homes. They are highly resistant to rust, making them an ideal choice for Slidell's humid climate. Aluminum doors are also energy efficient, offering good insulation and preventing heat transfer, which can help lower energy bills. Although aluminum doors can be more prone to dents and scratches than other materials, they are still incredibly durable and require minimal upkeep. They can be painted to match your home's color scheme, allowing for customization while maintaining their contemporary appeal. Conclusion. Choosing the right material for your door replacement in Slidell is a decision that impacts the overall appearance, functionality, and longevity of your home's entryway. Consider your priorities, whether it's security, energy efficiency, aesthetic appeal, or low maintenance, when making your choice. Each material offers unique advantages and can be tailored to suit the specific needs of your home. By weighing the pros and cons of each option, you can make a well-informed decision that enhances both the beauty and performance of your home for years to come.